Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to generate two random integers between 450 and 950 and print the numbers along with their average. So two numbers we have to generate in the range, two random numbers in the range 450 to 950, two numbers, and the average should get calculated and the results to be displayed. So first I'm importing the random module, import random. Next, number 1 equal to the random module. I'm calling the rand int function. The value of a equal to 450 and b is 950. First number is the starting range and the next number is the ending range. You can say lower and higher. A number will get generated. Likewise, I'm generating another number. Number 2 is a variable. Number 2 equal to random dot randint of 450950. So number 2. So two numbers get generated. Now I am calculating average equal to number 1 plus number 2 divided by 2. So I have calculated the average. Now I am printing the result. Print the random numbers are. So I am printing num1 comma print their average. I'm printing average. That's it. This is the program. You'll run the program and check the result. Two random integers or numbers are 865 and 567 are the two numbers. The average is 7 and 6. I will run the program once again. Now the random numbers are 685 and 701. The average is 693. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.